The Reports module in Document Locator comes with over 25 pre-configured reports. Reports are relevant because they give senior management and system administrators essential business intelligence, both on developing trends and on day-to-day activities. At a high level, these reports do three different things. First, they document how Document Locator is configured, including its securities, metadata, and workflows. Second, reports tell users where documents are, in folders and in workflows, and who is responsible for them. Third, they chart trends in user and document activity and in business processes. They can give a CFO or a COO visibility and oversight of their operations, so that they can see areas that might be in need of attention or improvement. They can be key for daily management for IT administrators who are monitoring system use, or for managers who need to stay aware of their employees' productivity levels. Let's take a look at these reports. To view the reports, first double-click on the Document Locator icon on your desktop. Then navigate to your repository, to the repository configuration, and then into the Report Manager. The reports in Document Locator are organized in a numbered series. The 1000 series monitors the system status. For example, the 1000-10 report is a usage summary for the week, month, and year to date. You can see how many files are being generated, emails sent, and versions of existing documents created, among other things. This allows system administrators to be aware of how quickly their database is being filled. The 1100 series reports are about security. Who has the rights to go where in the system and do what? These reports are most often used by IT and administrators, who are responsible for configuring user and group securities. The 1100-40 report is useful in that you can audit your security, both overall and through filtering by group. At a glance, you can see a description of each group and a list of its users. The 1200 series tracks the types and numbers of profiles in the system, and the 1300 series looks at the properties. These reports essentially keep track of the metadata that each document is tagged with, and the way that you choose to organize it. The 1400 series reports are concerned with folders in the system, looking at their configuration and properties. The drill down abilities in the Reports module are useful for finding out whether folders are set up properly or not. The 12, 13, and 1400 series reports are essentially housekeeping reports that allow you to keep your database clean and well organized. The 1500 series contains two reports. They show you a list of duplicate documents and a list of checked out documents. Both of these reports can be useful as overviews when working collaboratively with the team on a set of documents. The list of checked out documents, in particular, can be useful when you would like to know who was working on which documents and how long they've been working on them. The 1800 series is concerned with workflows, and they are used by anyone who is responsible for documents in a workflow. These reports monitor what step a document is in and who's responsible for that step, among other things. If you look at the 1800-10 report, you can see, at a glance, all of the documents that are currently in a workflow, what step they are in, and who is responsible for them. The last set in the series is the 1850 reports, which document workflow configuration. They are valuable for people who are responsible for maintaining a workflow and its integrity. The 1850-00 report, for example, shows the configuration of each step of each workflow, so you can see exactly what is supposed to happen in detail for each workflow. You also have the ability to build custom reports, which can be based off of any metadata in the system or any tables in the database. For example, one of the larger engineering firms in North America built a custom report that compiled a list of all documents in a transmittal workflow. Whenever they communicate with their partners or clients, they know exactly where in the process each document is and who is responsible for it at that very moment. Here at Columbia Soft, we've helped build several variations on reports that allow companies to forecast their month's expenditures by tracking the invoices that are routed through Document Locator and the automated AP processing system. In terms of custom reports, your imagination is the limit. We are happy to create custom reports that are tailored to what you need to know. This was a very broad overview of reports. For more detailed information, or to discuss the possibilities around custom reports, please contact us at inquiries@columbiasoft.com or call us at 1-800-298-1172.